Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Hyundai Sonata GLS, stock number E1897A. Only 67,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, indigo blue in color. The Sonata is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the handle on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This GLS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 67,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Sonata has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 198 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 24 miles per gallon in the city, average of 35 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Sonata, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.